Before I add Windows 10 to my VirtualBox on the Windows 11 host, I go to download Windows 10, open any browser, Windows 10 download. If you don't see the download button for Windows 10 ISO file, we go to the three dots, more tools, developer tools, go to the three dots again, more tools, network conditions, uncheck the user agent, select any browser you are using. I use Chrome browser, so I select Chrome OS. Once you select it, refresh the page, scroll down, you see now I can download Windows 10. Just close it, select Windows 10, confirm, select the language, confirm, 64-bit download, click on yes. Now it is downloading. Just click on add and see where our folder is. Our folder by the name of Muradi tutorial. This is users SR VirtualBox VM. Open the folder where we have saved the Windows 10 file. Right click and cut this file from here. Then open VirtualBox, click add, paste here. So now click on new, name, you can name it as a Windows 10, that's all okay. Select the folder, here we have to go to my PC, C drive, users, SR and VirtualBox. Here this is Windows 10 file, open it. Once you open it, from here choose Windows Pro, then here it is all okay, Windows 10, yeah, 64 bits, and this one is also Windows, okay, good. Now click on escape unattended installation, click on finish. When it's done, now click on start. Now it's opening. Click on this view option and click on full screen. Click on switch and also minimize this notification box. Now we are installing a second Windows 10 on the host machine Windows 11. Select the language, click on install. Here you see if you are reinstalling Windows, select I don't have a product key. Your copy of Windows will be automatically activated later. Okay. So here I have to choose my Windows, the simple one, this Windows 10 Pro. I accept the license, click next. Here this is not the upgrade, it is just install Windows only. So if you want to have a partition, make a partition new, 10 GB is enough. Click apply. So I have partition 1. So here this one, the rest should be on another drive. Yeah, click next. From this page you have to select the region. Is this the right keyboard layout? Okay. Want to add a second keyboard layout? Yeah, here what language do you want to use for your second keyboard layout? Which keyboard layout would you like to use? set as a personal use. Here you have to add your Microsoft account, your password, create a PIN, use your password. Here I don't use all of these. Click on accept. I use 2 of them. Here click on no thanks. I don't use Katana. Here I click on no. It's all done. We have got a new Windows 10 in VirtualBox. That's it guys. If you have any questions, comments or any video idea, please write down in the comment section of this video. I will answer your questions, appreciate your comments or create a video for you. If you're new and like similar videos in the future, subscribe to my channel. Thank you and goodbye.